Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be discussing about the current divider rule, CDR, for only two resistors in parallel. So the current divider rule is given by these formulas, but this formula is applicable for only two resistors in parallel. If there are many resistors in parallel, you have to reduce them so that they become two, only two, before you apply this rule. If not, if the resistors are more than two, this rule does not apply. So you have to work them in such a way that they become two resistors in parallel before you can apply this rule. Now in this circuit, the current source will flow from the positive terminal of this voltage source from here, and when it comes to this point, it divides into two. That is this node. So this is the total current. We want to find the portion of current that enters here and the portion of current that enters here. You can do that using current divider rule. Now the current divider rule is given by to find the current I1 that is flowing through this resistor R1, you take the total current that is entering these two resistors and multiply it by the resistance of the second resistor divided by the sum of the two resistances of the two resistors. So that's how you find I1. In the same way, to find I2, you take the total current and multiply it by the resistance of the other resistor divided by the sum of the two resistances of the two resistors. So in this one, the numerator will be the other one, not the one you want to find the current. It is reverse to that of voltage divider rule. In the voltage divider rule, you use the resistance of the one you want to find the voltage. So this is how we do current divider rule. So this one, the above numerator will contain the other resistor, not the one you want to find the current in actually. So in other words, the current divider rule, the current divider rule is given by I is equals to the other resistance of the other resistor multiplied by the total current over the sum of the two resistances of the two resistors. So that's how you do current divider rule. The resistance that you use here will be the other one, not even the one you want to find. Then divide by the sum times the total current. And that's all about this. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email it in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.